welcome one more. We have a box. Now, if you want to see the unboxing of, well, the box that this box came in, I'll recommend you to video linked up there. But if you just want to see this box getting unboxed, then welcome. Now, if you are unfamiliar with what this box is part of the Clan Wars expansion of the Battletech game. This was a Kickstarter. Kickstarted years ago. Not their fault entirely. Then things became very long-minded and things did not come, and then a ship drifted into a weird place. And then stuff got really weird. So, in this video we're going to look at this box. That box. Is that even in frame? Yeah. And this box. So let's start with the smallest box, shall we? Because well, I like to be annoying. Now this is one of these little gifts. We got these as a thank you, sorry for all the delays and troubles. And it's a little Shalone. Thanks for Shalone. Shalone. I don't know. I have no idea how to pronounce it. It's a little ship. It's a little flyer. And I actually have to look at this because I can't actually see. Oh dear. Here you go. It is absolutely adorable in every way possible. It also has a flight stand, which is also adorable. So it goes like this. Now this little thing is mostly famous for dive bombing the bridge of the clan flagship, killing the then ill Khan and temporarily halting the entire clan mission. Not bad for a fighter the size of a shuffleboard. Okay, I'm exaggerating, but compared to the ship it took out, that's very impressive. So this is the Wave 2 shipment, so a lot of the special cutesy things comes in this one. Me, I didn't get much from Wave 2. Most of the stuff I got was Wave 1, and you can check a video up there if you want to see me unboxing that part. Artwork is nice on these. So, first we get a bunch of cards. It's very good cards. These are, of course, the different mechs. The different pilots. So what do we get in this box? Well, I can pull this out if you can see it a bit better. Let's have a look at this artwork. It's gorgeous. Artwork is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yeah. Hatchet Man. Centurion. Grasshopper. Banshee. A surprisingly solid amount of mechs. I basically got this specific pack for this one. I have a sort of darling fascination with the Centurion for some odd reason. Might have to do with a certain novelization series. Let's see if I can get a better close-up look at this one. So yeah. This is not Jen Lo Wang, but I mean, you all kind of have to pay homage to that. Of course, the Grasshopper, the big mech who thinks it is a small mech. Jumps really good, but these, as far as I remember, was always woefully underarmed for the size. Hatchet Man, which is basically just adorable and has an axe, and that's about it. But I mean, an axe, it's a thing. And of course the Banshee. Again, one of these vignette mechs that is more famous for looking pretty on a cover than actually doing anything proper. Okay, that's kind of rude, but you know, you get the idea. So that's the heavy lance. But we did not come here for the heavy lance, now did we? No, we did not. We came for this. And through all that glare, I'm pretty sure you can't see anything. Also, I can remove a pop filter that keeps bouncing into my shoulder and jiggling the entire thing. And let's stab into this shoulder. So yeah, this was why I got anything from Wave 2. Why? Well, because this is the Comstar command level 2. And it got some tasty things in it. Also, it got some really difficult cartridges out. Stop trying to get one of those ice creams out, ice pops. So, we got a Mercury. Is that that? Does that look like a Mercury to you? I have no idea. Yeah, it's more than kind of ugly. We got a Sentinel. These are stuck together. An Exterminator. A Black Knight. And this a Highlander. And of course the King Crab. And yeah, this just looks like a slightly bigger, slightly other Hollander basically. This thing is cute ugly in the best way. Really rounded actually, surprisingly rounded. Can be fun painting. And of course, I know this is the not particularly exciting Black Knight, because it's the monopart Black Knight and not the multipart Black Knight, but you know, you get what you get. Of course, the Highlander. Very, very angry mech. I like this. It's very blocky, it's very adorable. And of course, the thing that made me get this particular box. The King Crab. 100 tons of death and dismemberment. The double AC-20 Death Dealer. The Demon of Deaths. It's not that good, but it's terrifying. Not really carrying the Atlas level of oh my god, we're gonna die, but pretty close. So yeah, with that, as I noted, we have completed the entire set of my Blood Name Pledge. And all that remains now is to paint all these little happy buggers. And that is going to take time in its own right. Not only do we have a lot of clan mechs still to be painted, but we also have these now. So if you have ideas for paint schemes or such, do post in the comments. Now I know some people are a bit iggy-biggy about how long it took for this to ship, and I understand. It wasn't fully their fault, but things could have gone smoother. But they're now shipping, I can guarantee that. So, without further ado, that will be it for today. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing thing. We are not going to do much unboxings on this channel. We have way many... There are a lot of other people doing that for that. So we're going to stick to painting things. And I actually don't know. I don't think we have anything more to say about that. These are great mechs. Get them if you can. And as I noted before, I hope they're going to be like, you know, a multi-part mech Kickstarter coming around. I don't know. Can we hope for that? Can we want that? Do we want that? I do want that. That would be great. That would be lovely. I would back that too. I might have an issue with miniatures. I don't know. Maybe. So yeah. Until next time. Stay safe. Be kind. and do play fair. Bye.